Hello guys. So today we will learn about the experiment number 8. It is to design the SR flip-flop and JK flip-flop. This SR flip-flop we will design it in Multisim. As you can see that first we will design SR flip-flop, and then you people have to design JK flip-flop, and you have to observe the transient analysis, and you have to add both of this in your lab report. So I will come to the SR flip-flop. So this is our SR flip-flop. You can see this is our SR flip-flop. The diagram is on right side. We will use NAND gate. In Multisim, you can use SR flip-flop also, as you can see here in components. If you will type SR, I think it is SR, FF. Let me type no FF. But I saw somewhere. Yeah, here you can see SR flip-flop. Directly you can use the IC of this SR flip-flop here, but we are not going to use direct IC from here. We are going to design SR flip-flop using NAND gate. Okay, so here we will use NAND gate. We need two input NAND gate, two input NAND gate. So here it is, one and second. Okay. Okay, so next thing we need, what we need next? We need switch. Okay, so we will use this same switch here, and two switches we need. Okay, next thing we need one VCC. Okay, I'll connect one VCC here, one ground here. Okay, okay, so next is probe to check the output. Okay, so all done. Next, we will rotate this one. We will rotate this one. Connect this one with VCC. Connect this one with VCC again, and this one with ground, and this one with ground. Okay, this is done. Connect this one with A, and this one with B. Okay, this is input of NAND gate, and second input will go from here, and this input will go from here. Okay, output will be seen here, Q and Q dash. Okay, so this is my SR flip-flop. I've connected this SR flip-flop. What will do next? We will observe the input. We will observe the output by switching input on and off. Okay. So first we will check for set. Okay. So this one is set. Okay. So I will make this one as 1, and this one is reset. So I will make this one as 0 only. This will be 0. Okay. So S1 is on 1, S and R is on 0. So when we will give this as the input, then we will observe Q will be 0 and Q dash will be 1. So we will see this. Okay, there is some problem with the simulation. Reset to default, and okay, cancel. Again we will observe the output. Bye. Okay. So you can see my, this is the, below one is the Q dash output and above one is the Q output. So my Q output is on 0 and my Q dash is on 1. My set is on 1 and R is on 0. If we will change this R to 1, then also my output will be same. Okay, because this is on set state. Now what will happen in reset state? Now I will change this set to 0. As you can see, my Q becomes 1 and Q dash is 0. Okay, as you can see in the observation of circuit. Now what we will do, we will make both this one as 1, then also my output will not change because right now it is on reset state. So this is how we make our SR flip-flop. Using this SR flip-flop only, you have to design JK flip-flop. Okay, in JK flip-flop, you need one extra clock pulse. You can use one clock pulse from here. Okay, stop the simulation and component and go for clock. Okay, you will get clock current and clock voltage. You can place any of this in case of clock pulse, or you can place this switch also. You make it 1 whenever you need the output, you make it 0 whenever you don't need the output. Okay, so this is how you have to develop the flip flop. And the last condition is 1 1. Okay, sorry, 0 0. We'll make this 0 and this also 0. This is a invalid condition. It won't affect anything. Okay, in SR flip flop. But here there is no clock. That's why we can't determine the exact output here. That's why we don't go for this condition. So this is our SR flip flop, and design the JK flip flop with SR flip flop. You can see the JK flip flop diagram here. This is JK flip flop. One clock is used, as you can see on right hand side. One clock is used and one extra two NAND gates. It is easy. You can observe the output like this only. Okay. So, and you don't have to do this one right now, transient one. Okay, just develop the SR flip flop and JK flip flop. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. Okay. Thank you.